Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I create these relaxed waves. It's actually a technique that I've been really enjoying the last couple of months. It's a little more lived in, a little more relaxed, and it's just faster and easier. And if you are someone who's lazy, which I definitely can be with my hair, I think this is the right hairstyle for you. So let's get started. So I washed my hair last night and this is what it looks like. This is like my natural texture. It's wavy, it's a bit frizzy. So I'm going to just do like a quick blowout just to make it a little bit more smooth. And I washed my hair with the new Kristin Ess line. It's actually really good. It's a fragrance-free line. And I noticed in the wintertime my scalp gets to be like so sensitive, so using a fragrance-free shampoo and conditioner actually really helps. So that's something that if you guys have similar issues like me, you should definitely check it out. I'm thinking of doing a review of the new Kristin Ess line, so let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see that. First, I'm going in with the Tresemme Heat Tamer. I've been using this I think since high school. It's definitely an OG on YouTube. Don't need that much. And then to blow dry my hair, I'm using the Kristin Ess blow dryer. If you guys can't tell, I love Kristin Ess. You're probably gonna see a few more products throughout this video. This is what my hair looks like after I did a quick blowout. I'm going to let my curling iron heat up, but I'm using the Bedhead curling iron. I believe it's an inch. It's actually really old. I've had it since college. It's one of the only curling irons that has like a clip. So make sure you have one with the clip. And I'll be parting my hair in half. So I like to style my hair like with the middle part. So I'm just gonna go all the way back and then just put this side. If you have more hair than me, you can divide it up even more, but since this is a really like easy, lazy, textured waves, I just want to do it quickly, and that means for me not sectioning my hair, so really it's up to you guys. So what I love about this hairstyle, it's very like a lived-in, relaxed wave. You don't need that many products. So besides the curling iron, you'll also need a white tooth comb. This is Kristin Ess, and I'll also be using this Kristin Ess working texture spray. This is so good. I love using this. This will just give a lot of texture and will just make your hair look more lived in. And then the last product is the Gisou Honey Infused Hair Oil. Since I have naturally frizzy hair, it's been bleached in the past, I have baby lights, a balayage, my hair doesn't look naturally shiny. So I just kind of use this to enhance the shine and make the ends just feel softer overall. So again, you don't need that many products. This is kind of why I love this hairstyle. It's super quick and you just don't need that much. So this is very different from the other hairstyle video that I have on my YouTube channel, because the first one, it's more like voluminous waves, it's very defined, where this one, it's more textured waves, the ends are straighter, and it just has a more relaxed wave. And I'll be using smaller sections. So I'm gonna start off with the front pieces. I'm gonna take the curling iron, take the clamp, you're gonna start a little bit lower, closer to your ear, like right about here. You're gonna go around once and hold it for a few seconds, and then go out, do it again, just a few seconds, and then you're gonna drag it till the ends are straight. Like that. If you can tell, since I use a smaller section, the wave is smaller, or the curl is smaller. And then again, the ends are straight. And it's okay if you mess up, because it kind of took me a while to get the hang of the twisting, the motion of it. But you can always just go over it, or if your ends aren't straight and you held onto it a little bit too long, you can just go like this, and then you're good. So again, small sections, curl once, hold it there, take it out, bring it down, turn it, And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. So I just noticed I used a little bit too much hair. Now, does anyone use a straightener to like create waves or curls? For whatever reason, I can't get the motion right. I either just hold the straightener on my hair for too long or I just can't do the bend. I don't know why, it looks so easy. Girls with straight or short hair, they do it so quick and it just looks so effortless. And I feel like in a way, this technique kind of creates that for me, because I just find a curling iron to be a lot easier to move around and kind of get the motion right. Then having the clamp just makes it easier to hold the hair. So I feel like whenever I'm curling my hair without a clamp, I'm like getting a really good arm exercise and just holding my arm like this for way too long, and then my arms tend to like hurt a little bit after. I don't know if that happens to you, but that happens to me all the time, especially since I have longer hair, so it definitely takes a little bit longer to get it all done. So one side is done. I'm gonna let it cool and then I'll go in and brush it out a bit. So next I'm going to do this side. I'm gonna let it pull it out, drag it down, go around it once, down, once, and then straight. So just like that. Now that both sides are done and this side is cool, I'm going to go in with the comb and just go like this. So it's just gonna break up the curls and make it more wavy. And I noticed my front piece, it's just a touch too wavy. So I'm gonna go back in with the curling iron and the same method to how I straighten the ends. I'm gonna do that as well. So just gently go down. You may have to do that a couple of times. All right, so much better. It's a little more relaxed. So if you can see the difference, this side combed and then this side not. So again, same thing. And then sometimes I'll have to like go back to a couple pieces, but I think they look pretty good. I just do this piece. Next, I'm going in with the Gisou honey infused oil. You don't need that much. So I just put it in my hand and then rub it between my fingers. Especially the ends. So we're just about done. I'm gonna go in with the Kristin Ess Working Texture Spray. I love this spray. I kind of use it with a lot of different hairstyles, but it's gonna make my waves look more lived in, as if it was like second day and a little less polished. So. And then I kind of just massage my head. And it gives all this volume at the root. And then down here as well. So there's a big difference. This side looks more voluminous, just more lived in. So now I'm gonna go in with the other side so they match. And you can also like flip your hair too. That kind of just gives some more volume. So this is what it looks like on the side, and the back. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Please let me know in the comments below your thoughts, and if you're gonna do it at home. It's definitely gonna take you a few times to get the hang of it. It took me a while, but I think it just looks really great. It just has this more lived in, relaxed look. So please let me know how it turns out for you guys. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!